YouTube. Helicopter keeps buzzing me. I don't know if he's gonna come back. I think he is. Yeah. I can't see on the view screen. Pardon me. I've been coughing a lot lately. I'm getting sick. I'm getting ready to mow the yard finally. I've been trimming around these sunflowers and other flowers and painting the shelf. My weed eater's broke, so I was painting the back of that shelf over there. It's gonna be my new flower potting. It's got a bunch of other shelves on the side. We'll take a walk over real quick. It's 4:57 p.m. May 13th. No fires tonight. See, like I've been cutting around all these sunflowers. I've been finding all kinds of. Anyways, I'm gonna put that up there. It's just like the one I got on the other side, and take the old one down, clean that mess up. That's later after I get done mowing. Okay. Pretty quick one. I think the helicopter's done. Yeah, I gotta go back through one more time. Especially right around there. And down there where the potholes are, and check for potholes. I've been hand edging, but my hand's about to give out. And I normally use the weed eater, but it's broke. And then once a year I'll use the spade and cut back 1.5 inches or so on the edge. Because, you know, since I compost my yard, mulch my yard, the soil adds up over the years. But anyways, I'll do an after video. Truth, peace, freedom, love to all. SS Art 98 out. And God, it's a beautiful day. It's just a gorgeous day. Even tomorrow for Mother's Day is going to be even better. So they say, even warmer. But have a good rest of the evening.